Hello student, we have started topic nutrition in plants in which we have studied in last lecture about nutrition, introduction about nutrition, nutrients, modes of nutrition in which we have discussed about mode of nutrition in which we have discussed autotrophic and heterotrophic kind of mode of nutrition. Today we will study heterotrophic kind of mode of nutrition. It is a mode of nutrition in which organisms derive their food from some other animals or plants. So it's a mode of nutrition in which organisms derive their food from some other animals and plants. It means they cannot prepare their own food. Means they are not able to prepare their own food. So this kind of mode of nutrition called as heterotrophic mode of nutrition. For example, most of the animals in which amoeba, other animals like we can say herbivores, carnivores, etc. They all have heterotrophic kind of mode of nutrition. Human being also example of heterotrophic kind of mode of nutrition. Now heterotrophs are further categorized depending on the nature of food they consume. In which first category of animals is herbivores. Now herbivores are those animals which eat only plants. Those animals eat only eats only plants. Cow, goat, other animals like elephant, sheep, deer, etc. They all are herbivores. Second category of heterotrophic or we can say heterotrophs is carnivores. And carnivores are those animals which eat only flesh of other animals. So we can say they feed on flesh of other animals. For example, lion, vulture, etc. There is various example of carnivores. We can also include like tiger, fox, wolf. Now third category of heterotrophs is omnivores, and they feed on plants and animals both. It means they can eat plant as well as they can eat animal also. For example, cat, dog, human, crow, bear, etc. Now third category, detritivores, and they feed on detritus or dead organic remains. Example, earthworm. Earthworm is an example of detritivores. They feed on dead and detritus organic matter, organic remains. Fifth category is sanguivores. And sanguivores are those animals feed on blood. For example, leech, female mosquito. Now after sanguivores, next category is insectivores. And insectivores, as we can understand by name, that insectivores are those animals, or we can say those organisms which feed on insects. Example of insectivores, they can be animal and they can be plant also. So insectivores animals are anteater. If we talk about birds, then insectivore bird is house sparrow. Mammal, which is bat, also insectivore. And if we talk about plants, then insectivore plants also present. They feed on insect to fulfill their nitrogen deficiency. And the example of that kind of plant is Nepenthes. Nepenthes is a plant. The common name of Nepenthes is pitcher plant. So they all are category of heterotrophs, in which heterotrophic kind of mode of nutrition is found. Now on the basis of mode of feeding, organism again categorized in three types. So next we will study organisms are categorized on the basis of mode of feeding. The category of organism on the basis of mode of nutrition, they are categorized in three categories, in which first category is Holozoic. Now Holozoic mode of feeding, which is called as Holozoic, in this kind of mode of feeding, the animals ingest mostly solid but sometimes liquid food, and digestion of food takes place inside the body of the organism. They can ingest mostly solid but sometimes liquid also, and digestion of food take place inside the body with the help of digestive enzyme. Example of Holozoic mode of feeding in humans. Holozoic kind of mode of feeding is found in amoeba. Also this kind of mode of feeding is found. So they are the examples of Holozoic mode of feeding. Next, after Holozoic, next kind of mode of feeding is saprotrophic. Now in saprotrophic kind of mode of feeding, they absorb organic matter from dead and decaying organs. Or we can say with the help of enzymes. So example of saprotrophic kind of mode of feeding, it is found in bacteria and they are also called as decomposers. Both are they both are also called as decomposers, and by decomposition process they can obtain their food from dead and decay. So it is about saprotrophic mode of feeding. Next mode of feeding is parasitic. They derive their nutrition from other living plants or animals. Example, there are various example of parasites. Plasmodium, first of all, It's an example of parasite. It lives inside the host, and host of Plasmodium parasite is mainly human beings, and it causes a disease called as malaria. So it obtain its food, and in return of this it give host disease, which is called as malaria. Next example of parasite, roundworms. Roundworms are Ascaris, and they cause its host, it causes disease Ascaris. Now they both are animal parasite. Now if we talk about plant parasite, so plant parasite is a name of another plant, that is Cuscuta plant. Cuscuta plant is a plant parasite. It is also called as Hammerbell. So it is all about categories on the basis of mode of feeding. In next class, we will study about nutrition in plants by a process called as photosynthesis.